However, based on trends and expectations, here's a speculative review of what the 2025 Camaro Z28 might offer. 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Speculative Review. Design and Styling. The 2025 Camaro Z28 is expected to continue its legacy as a muscular, aggressive sports car. It may feature a refreshed front fascia with sharper lines, a more aerodynamic profile, and updated LED lighting. The Z28 trim will likely include unique badging, a prominent rear spoiler, and lightweight alloy wheels for improved performance. The Z28 has always been about raw power and track-ready performance. For 2025, it could come equipped with a high-performance V8 engine, possibly a 6.2-litre LT for supercharged unit, delivering around 650 horsepower and 650 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Z28 would offer blistering acceleration and precise handling. 0 to 60 miles per hour, estimated at 3.5 seconds. Top speed, likely around 200 miles per hour. Handling, magnetic ride control, performance-tuned suspension, and Brembo brakes for exceptional cornering and stopping power. Interior. The interior is expected to blend modern technology with a driver-focused layout. Features might include Recaro performance seats with premium upholstery, a digital instrument cluster, and a large infotainment touchscreen. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Enhanced connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto technology. The 2025 Z28 could introduce new tech features, such as a heads-up display HUD for track-focused driving, performance data logging for enthusiasts, over-the-air updates for software and infotainment. Price and competition. The Z28 would likely sit at the top of the Camaro lineup. With a starting price around $75,000, it would compete with other high-performance muscle cars like the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Verdict. The 2025 Camaro Z28 is expected to be a thrilling, track-focused machine that stays true to its heritage while embracing modern technology. It's a car for enthusiasts who crave power, precision, and a visceral driving experience.